Hello everyone, this is Ayushi Verma from Investolan Academy and I welcome you all to this channel, and we'll be talking about the technical analysis outlook for the two major cryptocurrencies, which are Bitcoin and Ethereum. So I'll look at the daily chart. We will be looking at a lot of technical tools to see what the charts are telling us technically. So let's quickly start it with the Bitcoin first. And if you look at the market price, which is currently trading at 40,500. So again, we have seen there is a lack of buying side. There is a bearishness, because yesterday also the price rose slightly higher than the resistance level of 41,211, but again it failed to closes above than that. So again, you will see that it made a high slightly above than the resistance level, but again closes below than that. So we can see a complete bear side, or a complete you can see that the sellers were more active at that time. And today still we can see a kind of dozy, or a very flat kind of trading which is happening for the Bitcoin. So we'll be talking about this thing once we'll move on to the chart. But if you look at the overall view, you can see that still it's a negative view, and RSI is at 44. So 44 is basically, again you can see that the price is falling, so again the RSI is coming towards downside. Also, if you look at the moving averages here, so 50 EMA is at 42,055, 100 EMA is at 42,880, 200 EMA is at 44,273. Now if you look at the support and resistance levels, so I think if you have seen our recent videos, I was talking about this thing that let me not change the resistance level here, because still the price was hovering around at the 41,200, or at that level only. And yes, now we can see that the price is again coming downwards. It's trading and closing below than this level. We can still take that level as the resistance level, so we don't need to change the levels here, because the price is again showing some weakness towards the upside momentum. Now if you look at the support 1, which is at 37,613, support 2 is at 35,335, resistance 1 is at 41,211, and resistance 2 is at 45,332. So let's quickly move on to the chart of Bitcoin, and let's see what we can see from the chart. Okay, so this was the yesterday's candle, so this was the yesterday's candle. It was down by 2%, and few things I would definitely would like to discuss here. One, the price actually tested the resistance or the level of 100 EMA, which was at that time, it was at around 42,900 something. But again, the price only tested that level, closes even beyond, even below than the this level of 41,200. So it basically closed at 40,470. So again, that time it was very clear, showing that the sellers are more aggressive here, and that exactly happened yesterday. And even today, if you look at the today's momentum, yes, very very flat movement is there. If you talk about a cryptocurrency like Bitcoin, and if you see no momentum there, so you might literally disappoint in that thing. So that's the thing, there is no volatility, no trading activity happening here. We might see later in the day, because still the market is open, so we need to wait and watch. But no momentum, no activity is there as of now. Slightly volumes are towards the buying side, but again, let's just wait for the closing price and the volumes, then we might able to see more bigger picture, once we get the clarity. Also, if you look at the moving averages here, though yesterday the price tried to closes at around the 100 EMA, but again, it failed badly. Even the price closes below than the moving averages, and even with the resistance level of 41,211. So again, you can see that the bearish side is more active here for the Bitcoin. The price is basically trading below than all the three major things. One, the moving averages; second, the resistance level; and also with this uptrend line. So till the time the price, is starts moving upside, and you just need to get more clarity that maybe the price closes above then the trend line, or this resistance level, or the moving averages. Then you might get more and more clarity that, okay, now if I get a breakout of this, or if the price closes above then the moving average is something, you might get more clarity on the buying side. So this is how we are very negative as of now in the short term for the Bitcoin currency. And if you look at the Ethereum, so almost the same situation is there. It's again, again coming back to the 3000 level, trading at 3100 3010. I'm sorry for that. Overview is negative still. The same thing is there. Yesterday it was down by 3%. Today it's trading flat. RSI is at 45. Now, if you look at the moving averages here, so 50 EMA is at 3066, 100 EMA is at 3106, 200 EMA is at 3156. Also, the levels are same because no momentum is there. So, support 1 is at 2855, support 2 is at 2581. Resistance 1 is at 3361, and resistance 2 is at 3627. Let's quickly move on to the Ethereum chart now. Okay, so you can see here also. So this was the yesterday's momentum, and today it's slightly giving you a very small green candle. That may be because of the profit booking or something. But one thing which differentiates the Ethereum chart with the Bitcoin chart is that the price is actually hovering around at the moving averages 2-3 times. In the recent times, 2-3 days, the price actually tested the moving averages level. But as of now, it's showing a it's showing that they failed basically. So the price actually failed, and it's every time the price tries to reach to the moving average level but closes below than that. But one thing which is very interesting here is the price is still trading higher than this particular trend line. So this is something, the price is actually holding up this level, and it's taking very nicely as a support of this particular trend line. So this is something you can look at for the Ethereum. And yes, so till the time the price is trading higher than this particular trend line, we can see that yes, there is a there might be some selling pressure, but that not be very much a selling pressure you can see in the Ethereum prices. So this is how we basically usually use such technical indicators, and tell you about the technical outlook for for these two currencies. So I hope you are learning something. So thank you so much for watching us.